Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be reviewing two Adams Polishes products. It's the Adams Polishes Glass Cleaning Cloth, as well as the Adams Polishes Glass Cleaner. So as you guys can see, the dirt kind of dries up as water spots, like very hard water spots. So you got to make sure, even if you are ceramic coated, that you clean it as soon as possible. Luckily, this is all kind of dried. It's not necessarily baked into the car because usually when I drive in the terrible weather, I go to park it in the garage. So anyway, so what we're going to do now is we're going to, I don't necessarily know if there's a way to do this, but I assume it's like really any other glass cleaner. But sometimes instructions are different, varying between products. But yeah, so spray a fine mist. All right, so we're going to definitely try and see what a fine mist will do. Maybe we need more product depending on how dirty this really is, but I think, you know, a fine mist will do. To kind of go over this type of towel that Adams Polishes supplies, it's a really interesting towel. I don't think I've ever really had a towel like this before. It almost kind of feels, I don't necessarily know what this part would be for a glass cleaning cloth, but I will say, it feels a little bit rubberized, not as clothy as some of my other rags, but this definitely feels like it really won't leave much lint behind. Everything kind of feels really solid. Hopefully with this towel, it won't leave anything behind. I don't think it will, just from how it feels, but again, we'll have to wait and see. So what we'll do now is we'll give a couple sprays. And kind of did a little bit more than a fine mist, but all right, so now what we'll do is we'll fold our towel into kind of quarter sections. Hopefully before that makes its way onto the hatch, but if it does, not a big deal. We're gonna have to clean the car anyway. All right, so we have a little quarter section of the towel. It's the clean side, obviously. What we'll do is we'll just kind of go right across. Again, it's a little bit of a warmer day, and we're obviously doing this in sunlight. The purpose behind doing it in sunlight is just so you guys can kind of get a really good idea. But all right, so I will say right away, this stuff does kind of dry up. So you kind of want to definitely have to spray and then wipe off as quick as possible. As I think most glass cleaners would probably be the same way. All right, got a pretty good coverage right there. Gonna have to go over with another clean side just to see if we can buff off any other residue, because we do definitely see a little bit of residue left behind. And then what we'll do is we'll just do one little spray, and then all right, well, so far so good. I will say one thing for sure, there's no lint behind, which this towel is honestly great. I need to buy more of these towels. That's what that means. Because I only have this one. But wow, honestly, guys, it has done a pretty good job. You definitely want to make sure you get it all before it dries. And as you guys can maybe see in these lower sections, we do have a little bit of residue. That might just be because the sun is hitting it and it's just warming up, and it is drying relatively quickly. So let's do one more spray. Just try to get everything and just wipe it off before it dries. And you will pretty much get all of the leftover product, so yeah, how about that, guys? It's honestly really, really good. Again, I'm probably, some of the streaks that I might be seeing is stuff from the inside. But I will say 100%, there is no lint behind. Compared to when I use other towels, always my cloth microfibers, just because they're so fine, you always do leave some lint behind and some fine fibers. So with this towel, it's really, I mean, maybe over time as this towel will age, it'll probably leave a little bit behind. All right, so to sum everything up, this is an awesome product. This is a great glass cleaner. I don't think it's terribly expensive. It can't be much more than 10 bucks, but I will list the Amazon listing. So definitely check it out on Amazon in the description below. Also, whenever you guys do buy the products that are listed in my description, it helps me out, helps the channel out. So I greatly appreciate that if you guys do that. Also, I will list the towel below as well. So really, really awesome products. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.